Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here, and you just click here on more. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on configuration. You just click on it here. You come to next step here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. You keep going down. You come here to show description. Just click on it. Then you click here on off. Then here show description. It's disabled with us now here on your money manager app. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for watching.